Familiarizing with the ITTOs of every process lays a foundation to not only understanding how a particular process is developed and serves its purpose, but also may help you answer one or two questions of the exam where you may be asked to identify a particular set of documents required for a particular process. Yes, you may get a question or two where you will be asked to identify the right combination of inputs, tools and techniques, or outputs to a certain process of the process map. So let's discuss each and every inputs, tools and techniques and outputs to create WBS process. As part of inputs, we have the project management plan, the project documents, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational process assets. A project management plan component include the scope management plan. The scope management plan documents how the WBS will be created from the project scope statement. As part of project documents that can be considered as inputs for this process, we have the project scope statement. The project scope statement describes the work that will be performed and the work that is excluded and the work that is included. Then we have the requirements documentation. A detailed requirements describe how individual requirements meet the business need for the project. Then we have the enterprise environmental factors. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the create WBS process would include something that is industry specific WBS standards that are relevant to the nature of the project. These industry-specific standards may serve as an external reference sources for creating the WBS. The organizational process assets that can influence the create WBS process would include policies, procedures, and templates for the WBS, project files from previous projects, and lessons learned from previous projects. See you in the next lecture.